Clownfish. Clownfish are orange with white stripes. They live safely inside sea anemones. Damselfish. Damselfish are tiny and colorful. They dart quickly around coral reefs. Parrotfish. Parrotfish have beak-shaped mouths. They bite coral to eat algae. Surgeonfish. Surgeonfish have sharp tail spines. They graze on algae in groups. Butterflyfish. Butterflyfish are bright with patterns. They swim in pairs near corals. Moorish idol. Moorish idols have long striped fins. They are famous in tropical reefs. Rasa. Rasas are long, slim fish. Some act as cleaners for other fish. Blenny. Blennies are small fish with big eyes. They hide in holes on the seafloor. Dragonet. Dragonets are tiny and colorful. They crawl on sand with little fins. Frogfish. Frogfish look like sponges. They use fins like feet to walk on the seafloor. Stonefish. Stonefish look like rocks. They are poisonous and hide in the sand. Lionfish. Lionfish have long striped fins. Their spines are venomous, but beautiful. Scorpionfish. Scorpionfish blend with rocks. They stay still and wait for prey. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish can change skin colors. They have big eyes and clever brains. Nautilus. Nautiluses live in spiral shells. They float up and down using gas chambers. Sea otter. Sea otters float on their backs. They crack open shellfish with rocks. Walrus. Walruses have long tusks and whiskers. They rest on ice, but dive to the seafloor for clams. Manatee. Manatees are gentle sea cows. They graze on seagrass in shallow waters. Dugong. Dugongs look like manatees. They live in warm seas and eat seagrass. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are white and friendly. They live in cold Arctic seas.